Busiamo kwa bebion from Braga and Sam TV so edi ameje so any promise.
De ye beka no kure den eda ho mopo mumpo ye beka no kure da ho mopa momra meche mopa nia mopa bia momfa anye yen krachi man 28 years ni aya suma NDC amanyokuo maka kire mo se moma yenyi party sem nto nchen empo se ye party sem kura na 28 years ni aye de ekokurumotie ne ye maamenom ye papa nom ye nuanom ye ne abusia nyina ye ne ahemfu nyina ye de ekokurumoti tu abadema NDC amanyokuo a ye suma omo se omo nko parliament na omo nko twene ma papa mfanye den emfa mbre ye Keta Krachi West municipality ne nimpotam me patro ya kwan nyina nye yenye quota lokra ye constituencies ni nyina o yenye bida ne akase ase anase atutu ena ye call for foforo yenye bida 28 years ni ayato abadiama NDC amanyoku e wo Krachi West municipality ye wo NDC chama wo ho ye wo MP meno kasa ono abo adwanto so Helen ya to abama no 1 ya to abama no 2 ya to abama no 3 fourth time ene ya to abadiama no monhwe constituency akwan we hu asem na ye ka we ne ye ka na say development we hu asem na ye ka legacy ben ye kan legacy ben mo de ye ka na ma ba gina ho na mo ye mo ho NDC sam ne MPP sam 3-4 times ni ya to abadiama ye ma me ono abo adwanto so Helen as member of parliament ya kwan ye constituency akwan nyina nye me say this month nyina de ko ya kwan ho asam na ye ba beka ye beka magana nyina hu ne ye koso e wo ye constituency mo de mo nhye ne nko nanim
Yeah county no debi na obehu sa wotu ababone nsuwa uti obebi nka o eno na evie unei amana dani usuin Keta Krachi Fuo emra so say mo be sorry o me say Keta Krachi Fuo emra so say mo be sorry o mato aba NDC 19 kojo ho ko tampo mu bida emra so say mo be sorry o na mato aba pa Keta Krachi Fuo emra na so say mo be sorry Keta Krachi Fuo emre na so se mo be den mo be sorry mato ababa the National Demonic Congress in fear poly in fear 32 good years nanso quota mpa de ni quota mo na mo kan wonyem na meka impanyefo se sa ponche ne firi nso to be ka kire wo se otanche mewu a ye ndi na chiniye enti mwankasa na mo kase matu aba no since 1992 edi amomo na ade efe ne se quota munhu bi da nyeso ma ye bi mpo na ase yo omu enye bi eno nti na mo ka kire Keta Krachi Fuo ni Volta Fuo matu aba ma the National Demonic Congress John Dramani Mahama aka John Bosco edi anim no mo ka kire omo say enough is enough. So mo mba develop Keta Krachi dia and the musu mube sua nyansa na mato aba de ti omo me ka kire mo say the National Demonic onye na adwen da say oba be bua Keta Krachi Fuo National Demonic Congress John Dramani Mahama di enim no on fa Keta Krachi Fuo. He doesn't value you people. He doesn't value your votes. He doesn't care about you people. In fact, he see you people to be people amono sebi predu asan sebi monjene eno tina de bia no o de mo vote ene monim eye form eno to fi Keta Krachi if anywhere in the Volta region no what about my NDC since 1992 na still no constituency no there is no one developmental project or constituency one more. I'm telling you today, say it is time for you to vote against the NDC because they don't have anything better for you. It is time to wake up and say it is enough. Enough is enough. We are not going to sit down and watch you people destroy our constituency. Vote against them. Send them out of power. Let them know that you people own the constituency. You people voted for them. They didn't vote for you. You gave them the power to come and make sure they make the constituency a better place for you, not to come and threaten your life, not to come and make your life miserable, because you don't having good roads, you don't have how do you call it, water. It's a threat to your life, because possibility of being accident will know why. Unsuo nye possibilities of being cancer no any sign man were high. And until me say it is time for you to wake up against the National Democratic Congress and tell them say enough is enough. Next time no send the whole way for to abama MPP Peter John Amewu eba be boaye ma constituency no ende every undeveloped constituency about developed constituency no monso won't cry. We won't trying for once pay. Won't trying for once pay. Now I can assure you say Keta Krachi will never be the same. Keta Krachi and the MPP as member of parliament home constituency and the MPP. Now mbesenya this year of free government muna president I MPP you know, I can assure you say Keta Krachi would see the first developmental project in your constituency. Give your vote to us. We will bring development to your doorsteps. I'm telling you, I know what I'm talking about. I know what the New Patriotic Party can do, because I can use Hohoi as an example of the development New Patriotic Party everything the Keta Krachi constituency. So that's what I'm. And I'm telling you, say, when you vote for us, we are going to make sure, say, Keta Krachi will become one of the most developed constituency in the Volta region. So today, on the behalf of all Ghanaians and the people of Keta Krachi, we are telling you people, say, come 2028, vote for the New Patriotic Party, both presidential and parliamentary. Make Dr. Bawumia the president, and the candidate, you know, from Volta region or MPP or Keta Krachi as the member of parliament, and we will come and bring you everything that you want. Is it good road, hospital, schools, infrastructure, good drinking water? Just mention it. Factories, we will bring you Agenda 111. We will bring, so vote for us. We will bring you development upon development. We will bring you. And to want to about family, to about family the New Patriotic Party. We don't saw yen share. Most the New Patriotic Party, no, most saw yen and share. Now, more the difference between MPP and NDC. But they are just one promise. How you can answer TV? There was one to say that would see me. Most say Canada compare with Japan. Videos are not already there. Tell me when you're not or yet at the MPP party, Mr. Ramo. Bawumia must still try and throw. Must still try and throw. And throw no try the Amawan. It was a very simple question. Must say, can Japan at the Atema and I be a year no, yeah, my MPP to a year or Contoquan in the MPP to the coin. Mr. Ramo. Then about me, or yeah, or yeah, money, my papa. And all your money in anything. Mibusa. Everything about me also did it for the MPP. So also Chantra, he lied for the MPP. On some wondering whether, and then my mom I drink a cry. Everything that about me also did it for the MPP. So also Canadian upon everything that he did it for MPP. Everything about me said or did no, he also did it for the MPP. Why? It's no a draw.